Dear educators, welcome to the Student Alliance community. So, you're all familiar about the Rutherford experiment, which is there both in your physics as well as in chemistry. Now, on your textbook or on YouTube, you have things to see, but how exactly make it more interesting because it is an important topic. And let me tell you, in your NEET examination now, you get question based on your experiment outcome. So just go click on your chemistry. As soon as you click on the chemistry, just scroll down and click on Rutherford scattering experiment. Now, once the Rutherford scattering experiment is done, you have two views available here. One is the normal view, right? So you have the simulation that gets loaded. As soon as the simulation is loaded, then you just click. Just wait for a second. Yeah. So once this is done, just click on start emission. So you will see that this is how the experiment setup looks like. And then if you click on show labels, it will show you that this is ZNS coated, this is thin foil, and this is where the deflection of particles happens. In the part 2, we're going to talk about the zoomed version. Thank you.